Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashok, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, I'm going to explain the recent trends in the marketing, and this is the part 1 video of Unit 5. Here I'm going to explain the definition of e-marketing, then what are the features of e-marketing, then advantages of e-marketing, then what are the disadvantages of e-marketing, then what are the different types of e-marketing. Let us see one by one. Definition of e-marketing. E-marketing, it is an abbreviation of electronic marketing. It is also known as internet marketing, web marketing, digital marketing or online marketing. These are the another names of e-marketing. E-marketing is the process of marketing a product or service using the internet. By using internet, we are using the service. E-marketing not only includes marketing on the internet but also includes marketing done via email and wireless media. So these are the other source of e-marketing. It uses a range of technologies to help connect business to their customer. E-marketing is also as a part of integrated marketing communication which helps a brand grow across different channels. Features of e-marketing. Whether our business is a small concern or large concern, it doesn't matter. Many businesses are using e-marketing because of various features and multiple advantages there in the e-marketing. That is why everyone is using the e-marketing. So let us, here I'm going to explain the major features of e-marketing. The first one is e-marketing is cheaper than traditional marketing. To compare its cost with the traditional marketing media such as newspaper ads and billboards, then it is much cheaper and efficient from the as compared to the traditional marketing. So e-marketing is the most cheapest and best one. You can reach a wide range of audience with very limited sources. Then second point is tangible ROI. ROI, which is mean that return on investment, what you have invested, so what is the amount you are getting over from particular business. Like that here e-marketing, what is the amount you have invested in the e-marketing, what you are getting from the e-marketing. So it is a tangible return on investment. Here small business owner can now check the turnover rate or action taken with the help of Infusion software. It analyzes multiple thinkings like views of videos, number of emails opened and per click on the click. Most of importantly, it tells us how much sales the business has been made as a result of e-marketing. So it is by using the technological support we can know our company status or our website, how many likes we have earned or how many videos are shared or how it is going to be viral to each and everyone, so that we can easily watch this one by comparing the traditional marketing with the e-marketing. The next features of e-marketing is 24/7/365 approach. It works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week and 365 days of the year. It does not matter whether you are homesick or sleeping or attending a casual meeting, but e-marketing is always hard at work. So it cannot be end. So whether human being is there or not, this doesn't matter. So it is going on all over the network. So it can be viral at any time. So we have to keep on watching that. So the next feature is eliminate follow-up failures. Elimination of follow-up failure is the main secret behind the success of small business. It is done by entering your business figures into the Infusion software, and then it is automated marketing system will provide you the custom tailored information about your business. which areas to improve and what product to disconnect. By this we can understood that so no need to follow the failure. So it is going on over the marketing, so going on to the internet marketing, so no need to follow whether our business is going high level or low level, how much of profit we have earned, how much of profit we want to earn, what is our supply, what is our demand. No need to follow each and every day. It is automatically calculated by the marketing system. So this is the another features of e-marketing. Advantages of e-marketing. There are multiple advantages as earned by the seller as well as buyer. Let us see one by one. The first one is instant response. By adopting e-marketing system, the response rate of internet marketing is instantaneous. For example, you upload something and it goes viral to all over the world and it had reached millions of people overnight. So this is the best example of e-marketing system. So by introducing a new ads or billboards or anything, if you are initially videos, it goes to viral to all over the world. The second one is cost efficient. Compared to the other media of advertising, it is much cheaper. By using technical support or software, with the help of software engineer, we can make the advertisement most simplest one at the most attractive one. So we can easily attract by adopting e-marketing. And if you are using the unpaid methods, then there are almost zero at cost. Suppose if our system is accept as a zero cost, no need to spend anything for to making the particular software. The next point is less risky. When your cost is zero, already I told that when our cost is zero and the instant rate is high, then what one has to lose? No risk at all. So here simply stated that if cost is zero, then who is going to bear the risk? So risk is also less risky, then profit is more one. The next advantages of e-marketing is greater data collection. In this way, you have a greater ability to collect a wide range of data about your customer. Like you can collect our customer mobile number, email ID, then what is their Facebook ID, then what is the Instagram, Twitter, everything we can collect. Then we can post the ad or information regarding our product or service. So this customer data can be used later for their supportive. The next one is interactive. One of the important aspects of digital marketing or e-marketing is that very interactive. People can leave their comments and you will get feedback from your target customers. So if you have made any link to the particular customer, by clicking this link you will get more likes or you will get some sort of coupon, whatever kind of benefit is there, surely they will choose that one. So if you have commented, you will get some points by showing that, surely they will provide a better feedback for us. So this is the one of the advantages for the e-marketing. The next one is way to personalized marketing. Online marketing opens the doors to personalized marketing. With their right planning and marketing strategy, customer can be made to feel that this ad is directly talking to him or her. So nowadays everyone is using a smartphone. By using a smartphone, they can, as a seller, we can collect their numbers, then show the information about our product or service. So if they are pleased, they will attend our service. So this is the one of the benefit for the customer. Then next point is greater exposure of your product. By going viral with one post can deliver greater exposure to your product or service. So simply we can say that if any video of service or product is being viral, so automatically the particular demand for the particular product is going to be increased only. So this have a greater exposure for that particular product. Next one is accessibility. The beauty of online world and e-marketing is that it is accessible from everywhere across the globe. Also we can from this, so whether you are in a home or rural area or urban area, it doesn't matter. If you are using online through purchasing a product, surely you will get benefited. So accessibility is everywhere. Disadvantages of e-marketing. So as we have seen that advantage of e-marketing, sometimes it will not be applicable to somebody, so it shows some disadvantages. So let us see one by one. Technology dependent. E-marketing is completely dependent on technological support. So by using of internet or technical support or software engineer through only we can deliver our product and service to the end consumer, and it's slight disconnection on jeopardize your whole business. Sometimes it will be not applicable or it cannot be enabled to your business company. So as we have to depend on the technological for the small concern people, so sometimes it not be applicable to them. Second one is worldwide competition. When you launch your product online, then you face a global competition because it is accessible from everywhere. So how advantage is the same time as everyone is using a smartphone. So somewhat it is, if your product and quality is everything will be a good one, surely you can reach out throughout the world. Otherwise you cannot sustain in the market, and you have to maintain a competition among your competitors. So this is one of the disadvantages of the e-marketing. Next one is privacy and security issues. Privacy and security issues are very high because your data is accessible to everyone. Therefore one has to be very conscious about what goes on online. So we should not save our password to the each and everyone's. We should deny our password. So it is asking you whether I have to save your password. So we should deny our password. Then only we can have a safe and secured transaction. Some of the important advantages of social media marketing are as follows. The first one is by increasing product awareness and reputation, we get more sales. Second point, directly communicating with our customer, we can increase our brand loyalty. If you can increase the number of visits to your website and ranked it up in the search engine, so we got the first place or third place, like that we get it. So next one is targeting the exact audience and will help you to know more about your customer needs. So we have to clearly planned well, so whom we have to consider, whether it is a middle class people or lower income people or high class people. So if our target is clearly identified or planned, we can reach out the market perfectly. The next disadvantages of e-marketing is higher transparency and price competition. As already we have stated that it is not a secured, it does not a secured one. When your privacy and security issues are high, then you have to spend a lot to be transparent. Price competition also increase with higher transparency. Then the next advantage is maintenance cost. With a fast changing technological environment, you have to be consistently involved with a piece of technology, and the maintenance cost is somewhat more high to the small business people. So large companies can adopt a high technological environment, but it does not applicable to the small concerned people. So somewhat it is not applicable to them. Types of e-marketing. When we talk about digital and email marketing, then there are different types and methods of e-marketing which are as follows. So there are 5 types. The first one is email marketing, second one is social media marketing, third one is video marketing, the fourth one is article marketing, the fifth one is affiliate marketing. So let us see what is email marketing. So in this, marketing is considered very efficient and effective because you have already a database of your targeting customer, because already we have collected information from our customer through the mail ID. Now you can send emails to your customer regarding your product and service for the best offers, and everything should be you can deliver through the email so that they can use that particular service, then if they feel it is a cheap and best one, so they can purchase the product to the email marketing. Next one is social media marketing. Social media is a great source of directly communicating with your customer to increase your product awareness. It could be done by any or all of the social media channels such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google and YouTube. These are the social media marketing. So through this media we can deliver a video or images or photos, we can deliver our services. The third type of e-marketing is video marketing. It is stated that a picture is worth 1,000 words and a video is worth thousands of pictures. You can catch the attention and the emotion of your target market by showing them a video clips about your product or service. Video marketing is very effective if it conveys the right message to the right audience. So video marketing, it can be understood by each and every, whether illiterate or literate people, so it is clearly going to adapt, but the conveying of message and video is most important one. The next one is fourth type is article marketing. Engaging quality content by providing valuable information to your target market, what people are looking for over the internet to solve a certain problem. It is a consistent and ongoing process of delivering quality content to your readers. It is not always about selling. You are educating your audience and helping them by adding some value in their lives. So through article marketing, you are providing a valuable information to your end consumer. The fifth point is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting some products of certain brands and earning your commission out of every sale. It works for everyone, win and win situation. So these are the types of e-marketing. Thank you all. I hope that you are all able to understand the concept of e-marketing, definition, types and